4, 3, 2, 1. And we're off after one hell of a delay. Cool. I got the hyperspeed on. Oh, this is so much faster than my car. Holy fuck.
Fuck, went to fucking second again. Right when I was trying to rotate the damn car. Oh shit, that was bad. Lost some time there.
Oh, it's getting polished underneath.
Yeah. Ah shit. If I miss the flick here, just get fucked.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's not good. That's slow. Oh, no wonder he lost it. That's ice.
Yeah. Oh.
Ah, damn it. Yeah, I had my fast times already. This is shit. I tried to go slow. Ah, damn it. Yeah, I'm losing front end grip now. We had our best fun already.
Yeah. It's just too heavy.
Maybe.
Oh, nice.
Ah. Yeah, buddy!
Oh, yeah!
Oh!
Get out, get out, get out, boy!
Wait a minute.
Are you safe?
Feel that pull when the fucking tires grip again?
Yeah.
Ah, damn.
Stand it, stand it.
It keeps jumping a fucking second.
Oh, that's all I can see. Oh.
And third. That was third.
Oh, that was a beauty move. Oh, well done. Those parking lot sessions are paying off.
Oh, yeah. Stay in the fucking gear, you bitch. Oh. We're good. Saved it.
Atta boy.
Fuck, ice.
Reflect, get reflect. Yeah! Woohoo!
First, you cunt.
Atta boy. Nice lap.
There's a few good corners, but there's some mistakes too. That's okay. Yeah, linking the corners together like that is actually